Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty the Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. We want to welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the platform. It only means well. You know, we might not get it right all the time, but I learn where I learn, and we never go on like, you know what I say, at anything else. Questions where I ask and I try work out how the thing work. You know, see, so give thanks. See? So Mr. Issa, one of the Issa them contact I. You see, I now say which one. See? When contact I in a message, and the message say he may really like the way how, essentially, he may like the way how I characterize him family as racist. You know, see? And he would like to talk to me. It's a decent message still, you know, and thing like that. So, you don't try create nothing like a disrespect or no bullyism or no badness or nothing like that. Like I said, man to man, it was a decent message. I saw me read it. I leave all him number and thing like that and say he want to talk to me. Now, I know Mr. Issa mean well. You know, see, I don't know reason for assume that. See? So, here we are taking from a perspective. We are create an understanding, because I never create a platform for it. It's very delicate and fragile. The structure, the nature of the platform. You know, platforms with nature of this sort usually, like for instance, Sizzler, we say Sizzler compromise, we talk about him mostly from where they are, what we notice due to the seduction, corporate seduction and things like that. You know me, I say, it's like him lose traction, him lose focus. You know, see, and you know, for maintain this the trust where we are trying to create, I have to create the trust where we are trying to create. We have to be careful our step. You know, see, so it would be very unwise to me go entertain a private call with the manager, with people who are responsible for the perceived unfairness where I try hash out. You know, so when I say, I don't know how to come back and articulate a conversation there with John Public. You know, see, and without making it, I mean, it will leave all sort of aspersion. What did we discuss? You know, how did you make me feel? I mean, the power where you have and the resource where you have, how easy it is for compromise. Are you like you know, with certain seduction and things like that. So I man decide say, I man not even know a call and hear what go on. You see, because Mr. Issa and the whole Issa thing can rubbish all I claim. Not rubbish, because the things that I say, even though I say not like it, are documents I man read them from. You know, see, so I don't really characterize nothing, I just call a spade a spade. See, now I live in a first world country where it is what it is, and the definition is far different from where them perceive down there. You know, see, so we're not going to go in it longer. We're not going to try, because the whole we are Jamaican. See, so what we are do, we are spread out the platform in our way where we are in with a one year. We are in imagination and critical thinking. You know, see. So my suggestion to the Issas would be like, watch out. The youth where the whole that we feel like get unfair dismissed. Even if it wasn't so, consider the reason for dismissal. Can it be overlooked? Can it be resolved in a rational way whereby the youth have back him job, have back somewhere, because his main pain was in young family where him just a create and thing like that. Even now, I'm still in mourning for him and concern and I pray for him. You see, because we know the road out there. It's easy for him to pick up illegality and start do certain things, and then you got hear him or see him in the newspaper. I'm more concerned about him more than how you are concerned about your family. One more get a youth get caught up in them sort of thing that to me, when I try educate them against, is hurtful. You see it? No disrespect. So I'm not going to style your car. You know me, I say no way. You see it? But what I say, that mean something to I too. Like how your reputation means something to you. The cars where I'm going to try focus means something to I, just like how your reputation means something to you. A reputation for reputation, same way. You see it? I'm not construct nothing upon you. You see it? And I could. You see it? I could have caused loads more aspersion and doubts and things like that. You see it? Right now, what I'm going to look into is how much black manager you ever employed over the years. How many authentic Jamaican managers ever employed over the years. Well, where you're there and do your thing in the hotel industry. You see, and them things that are in your whole employment industry. I can see, you know, Amit, something like that. I can't remember his name. I'm not going to look for it right now because I'm not plan for call a whole part. You see, but yeah, that I look into. You see, we'd like to see another program one day. Like I said, we're not using one for cast no aspersion where I put ideas out there. You see, we're not just criticize. We are find solution. We are bring solution to. Because we know that Jamaica is a place where it's careless certain way when it comes on to the rules and regulation and governmental focus on the poorer demographics development. You see, so business people, like the man, a businessman, if a man a business, you capitalize off of opportunities, and workforce is one of the main way where you can benefit and grow yourself and from, because we see what slavery do for the West. You see, so we know that anybody can capitalize on that. Them capitalize on that. We notice that every industry, one of the most fragile aspects are workers' wage. Every now and then, nobody acquire a company or business are set back because of the production costs and things like that much. Like how you hear the dispute, workers dispute, employment dispute and them sort of thing there. You see it. So we know there's something where I saw it work. You see it. So now that's we get educated. And we have tools and weaponry of destruction, blaggers at disposal. You see, these things really it beneficial until it come out. It costs more than what it benefit in the long run. The damage. You see it. So when the people them say so, reach out and have something done. You see, in this case, I mean, I say this is your problem. You see it, but these are the reasons for would I say why most people could I say for low wage and working condition and things like that. You see, if you can capitalize, you all capitalize. You see, we are but now we know. So what are we as Jamaican who wants it better done? And we are implore, besiege the item to do better, because the item can do better. You see, treat the worker them with more respect. You see, it's a Western country and you make substantial. Like I said, I want this, nobody I make it sound like we are trying to create aspersions. You make substantial enough living from the structure of things whereby you can make the people around you feel better mentally. We're not talking about wage, we're talking about with respect, feel like human being. You see, because generally it's not the case in Jamaica. So nobody don't feel like so them can call me and tell me nothing when me don't know already. I can't find out otherwise. You see, information technology me I study. You see, and basically me I reverse the psychology. Because information technology was created with corporate interests as art for protect, develop, and benefit corporate interests. Now, may I reverse engineer the psychology. Or just like how I teach me for engineering, I see me observe the reversal of the psychology. So we can do more damage than good with information technology than you even know. You see, that's not the intent. The intent of it, see, better done with people. You see, somebody are going to make the money some way, somehow. You see, we want to see better done. More like Mr. Issa them, go in at the school them and take out some garrison youth where show intention, show potential for learn. Youth we have ambition. Even if them carry themselves a certain way. You know what? Them they are school. Them know what education. Education mean more than anything else to them. Any other distraction. Any other what you call it? You know. Peer pressure. You see, education mean more than that to any one of them because them in a school up to this point. You see, more I love 5 of them you there. One from Tivoli Garden, one from Warwick Isle, one from Rima, one from Flanker, and one of the Stone Crusher them. You them from them area there. Not necessarily a scholarship, but at least an employment interest. Like couple hours a day work after school, like an apprenticeship type of thing. Give them youth some hope, and the hope will reflect on the other rest of youth them in the ghetto, who are part of Jamaica too, who are Jamaicans like yourself too, who nobody no show no interest in her, who everybody else who are benefit ignore. Like the eye them Rasta. You see it? No, don't come try tell I about no charity. When they eye them set up on them thing, because we know them thing they work. We don't want to hear nothing about the charity or the foundation or what. We don't want to hear nothing about that. Because that is another powder keg. An embarrassment. You see it? And them little thing there. We make I and I sing your praise. Possibly every program I man do. I man use it as an example of something like that I man want. You see, it's far from Jamaican to perceive certain action as racism. You see, so I can understand you try make me feel like say this is the norm. It's not the norm. You see it? And I feel you know it's not the norm as well. Or else a little piece of shit like me wouldn't matter to you. You see it? You know these actions have them reaction. But still you don't do them anyway because there's no consequence. Nobody feel hold on for no consequence when they deal with that certain way. And I attack generally business people, the corporation, them, the PSOJ in Jamaica. Them not stand up for I and I. Them not see the army and ghetto youth that is being created right on them doorstep. I go come affect them one day. Them feel like say them will reach to the airport quicker than the whole thing. For happen. Them might expect it to happen, but them not see. It's like them have choices so much that them not help prevent the destruction of Jamaica. You know see it? They have so many choices them can run go everywhere anyway. You see it? We still are looking to the creation of the free zone and the standard that was set back in the 1976. I was still looking to who created these standards, who went around the world and promote these standards to certain people who came and created these free zone businesses in Jamaica and treated the people them the way they do. We still are looking to them thing there. You know see? But the past is the past, innit? And while we can't fix the past, we can use our action today to make the past seems irrelevant. You know see? But if them things then are coming at play, are them stock they not being taken, Rasta. West, me not, we can't sit down and have a conversation. You know, see it? Not charming, man. Nah, put me down in a chair with no wine in my hand and champagne in my hand and tell me how to describe my feeling, express my pain, Rasta. It nah go happen. You see it? No disrespect, but we deserve more. We deserve more, at least in a psychological manner. We don't suffer from low self-esteem and low self-confidence. There's the reason why certain things happen, and we have a brother them, we have a rest of brother them stand up there and allow it to happen and no realize it. Because at the day, you know, you can look how simple it is, you know. The dismissal will happen, in particular what we are talking about, you know. If the rest of work at them, they stand up for that one that day, you know, which they were within them rights to do so, but them don't know them right. This is how fragile their mind is. Working for the item, how little them expect from the item, them a work with the notion saying any minute for anything, them deserve to get fired, Rasta. Hence the reason why the other rest of work at them, I tell himself to cool and go on, because look like say, if him talk too loud, the boss will come back around there and fire two more of them and just say, yo, for that, it will chat too much, hey girl, you go on your yard. It look like this was the emotion of the day. You know, see it? At that level, them see. I come from the people, them Rasta. You know, see it? And it shouldn't be so. You know, see it? Because no guy can cheat me so in a white man country. And a white man country this. No white man not cheat me so. You know, see it? It take me about 2 weeks before me get fired. Boy, yeah. And me I get paid. Yeah. Because the boss or the manager with the on spot, him can tell you say you get dismissed till further further notice after the review. The review they got the HR, the review got to higher management, head office, and them thing there, and them look on your case and then fire you. You know, see it? So nobody feel like a guy can just jump the gun and use any power. And the only reason why you do that, I like Mr. Because there's no consequence, Rasta. Well, this is consequence. You know, see it? So I'm not going to compromise this. And because I have 2 bedrooms, I can call and beg her money. You know, see it? Yeah. Me call Jabi, the badass. Borrow change from the big man. And me call Mark Springer them. Me call Nerville. Dig him up out of bed. And make him send a thing come give me a Western Union. You know see it? Serena Atkins, Tanya Lawrence. The whole of them people there. You know see it? And that will satisfy I cause I do what I do. And somewhere along the line, you know, many tried. You know, see it. I never say it or stop. You know, see it. I might feel it, but not today. You know, see it. Can't compromise the thing with simplicity, true simplicity. We live them life there already. I man drive Bentley boy already. I man drive Bentley. Ask Harry Toddler. Harry Toddler. Yeah. I'm going to a club boy named Legs 11. You can research it. In a sweatsuit, Rasta. That's all the stripper them and the employee them in the club ask me, how me do that? Who are you? I've never seen this before. You know, see, because them club they are formal wear, gentleman style thing. Who no. You know, see, I'm turn up in a sweatsuit and them, yeah. Not even search. Bounce, I just stand aside and I just walk through and go in and yeah. You know, see it? So, we kind of feel we have an insight, we have a look in on certain exclusivity. You know, see it? And in the impress way. In the impress way. You know, see it? So, you don't know me, general. That's why we're there, so, and we are, you know, see it? And I just, that you can do. I'm stop looking to who create free zone and all of them things. You know, see, because like I say, what happened yesterday, it's because we still exist today. We can do things today we make yesterday seems irrelevant. You know, see, yeah, where can come from? Been to GP over and over and rate whatever. We don't know the whole story. See me here. You know, see it? So, and I in a better position with more resource, connection and platforms. You know, see? And like I said, every day I do a program at anything, anytime, because you know, straight social justice. But I have to use the IM as reference. I wouldn't stop doing it. And I just simply that. And if most people would have do that, most of the man them, the top man them would have do that, enough ghetto youth would have see themselves with hopes. But again, you know, say, a lot of people see opportunity in a war. You know, see. Anyway, we give thanks. That's the thing. You know, see. Rastafari.